In this video, we'll show you how to make some minor changes to the Dressmaking with Tiana Claire wrap dress sewing pattern so that you can make lots and lots of different dress designs. Number 1. Use different fabrics. This is one of the simplest changes that you can make to your design to make a completely different dress. Use lightweight, sheer, flowy fabrics for a bohemian romantic look, or a heavier fabric that holds its shape for a polished formal design. Number 2. We can change the length of the dress. An above-the-knee skirt is the go-to for a youthful look, below the knee is an elegant one, and a floor-length skirt is a classic formal design. Number 3. You can add or subtract ruffles to or from your dress. You can make a plain A-line skirt and dress it up with 2 or 3 ruffles to add length for a boho style. Number 4. You can alter the sleeves of your dress. Long sleeves with fullness and elastic at the hem is a simple but elegant option, and a long sleeve with a cuff is a classic year-round look. You can make 3/4 length sleeves with elastic at the hem for stylish balloon sleeves, flowy flare sleeves, or go without the sleeves. To make 3/4 length balloon sleeves, you need to alter the original Claire dress sleeve pattern. Trace the pattern, draw a line at the center, and cut right along it. Spread the pieces 4 inches apart and trace the new sleeve pattern. Add elastic to the hem and you're done. You can even add 2 extra inches to the sides of the sleeves for added fullness. The bouffant sleeves are very similar to balloon sleeves. Again, trace the sleeve pattern to your desired length, draw a center line and cut along it. This time spread the pieces apart 2 inches and trace the new sleeve pattern. Add elastic to the hem. To make long sleeves with cuffs, you can use gathers or pleats. Since the cuff doesn't have a closure, take a measurement of your hand, as in the sketch, for the length of the cuff and add 1 inch for seam allowance. Flare sleeves are made by lengthening the shoulder line from the shoulder point about 4 to 5 inches. Draw a curved line from the corner to the side seam 2 inches down from the armhole. Do the same to the front bodice. You need to make sure that the side seams are even, and you may need to transfer the dart to the waistline. For a curved skirt edge, mark down 12 inches at the center point and draw a curved line from this mark to the side corner. Note that if you draw the curved line from the top corner down to the bottom corner, the skirt will always want to be open. And that's it! With all of these changes that you can make to the Claire wrap dress pattern, you can have a new dress each time. Get the pattern below in the description of the video, and happy sewing!